3 degrees. It doesn't sound like much. Barely more than the difference between a sweater and a t-shirt. But for our planet, 3 degrees Celsius could mean chaos. Right now, Earth has already warmed by about 1.2 degrees Celsius since the Industrial Revolution. And even at that level, we are seeing the effects. Record heat waves, coastal flooding, crop failures, unpredictable storms. If we continue on our current path, we are looking at 3 degrees by the end of the century. In Bangladesh, rivers fed by melting Himalaya glaciers and heavier rains are swelling entire villages. People like Minara, once farmers, are now climate refugees, joining hundreds of thousands forced into city slum each year. Climate scientist Dr. Yuri Rogelj and his team simulates dozens of future scenarios. Their verdict: under current policies, there is at least a 25% chance we hit 3 degrees Celsius by 2100. Even with all climate pledges fulfilled, there is still a 5% risk. Would you board a plane with a 1 in 20 chance of crashing? Even the richest cities won't be safe. Paris could swelter under intense heat. New York may face a storm surge that wipe out entire borough. Urban infrastructure amplifies climate impacts. And when disaster hits a densely populated city, millions feel it. Meanwhile, small farmers are already living the future. In Central America, droughts are getting longer and deadlier. Families relying on beans and corn are watching their livelihoods vanish. Poverty is rising, and so is migration to cities, to the north, to anywhere that offers a chance to survive. In a 3 degrees Celsius world, 1/4 of humanity may face severe drought for at least a month each year. North America could endure drought lasting years at a time. Annual rainfall in parts of Central America may drop by up to 14%. But too little water is not the only danger. For low-lying nations like Fiji, Lagos, and Jakarta, the ocean is rising. By 2100, seas could rise by half a meter or more. In Fiji, graveyards now sit underwater. Entire villages like Toguru are disappearing, and for many, moving is the only option left. More than half the world now lives in cities, almost a third in slums. As more people are forced to migrate due to floods, storms, or crop failure, city will feel the squeeze. But some cities are running out of time or air. Enter the wet bulb temperature, a deadly mix of heat and humidity where your body can't cool itself. If the wet bulbs hit 35 degrees Celsius, humans cannot survive even in shade with unlimited water. Part of Pakistan, the UAE, and even the US Southeast are already approaching this lethal limit. By 2100, large regions in the tropics could become nearly uninhabitable. Drought does not just mean thirst, it means conflict. Nations are already feuding over rivers. Turkey's Ilissu Dam is choking Iraq's water supply. China controls water lifelines to India and Pakistan. Climate stress could push dense regions to the brink. Yes, we can adapt sea walls, smart agriculture, air conditioning, but not everyone can afford that. And even the best adaptations won't eliminate suffering. It can also lessen the blow. The good news: there is still time. If we cut emissions now, stop burning fossil fuels, and invest in carbon removal, we could limit warming to under 2 degrees Celsius. It won't be easy, but it's possible. Because a 3-degree world is not just hotter, it's hungrier, more violent, and much harder to survive. 3 degree is not destiny, it's a choice. One we must make now. Like, comment and share if you believe in a livable future. Explore more on climate science and action. Link in